Is your audio sounding a little muffled or just not professional enough? Today, I'm going to show you a simple, three-step process in Adobe Audition to make any voice recording sound clean, crisp, and clear. Let's get started.
You don't need an expensive microphone. Get that
First, we need to clean up the audio by removing any background noise. We already have a full tutorial on this, but the quick version is to select a quiet part of your audio, capture the noise print in the noise reduction effect, and then apply it to the whole file. With the noise gone, our next step is equalization. In the Effects rack, add the parametric equalizer. The goal here is to remove the bad sounds and boost the good ones. A great starting point is to use the Vocal Enhancer preset from the drop-down menu. This instantly adds clarity and removes any muddy sounds. Finally, let's make the volume consistent with a compressor. In the Effects rack, you can use band compressor. Go to the presets and choose VoiceOver. This will make your quiet parts louder and your loud parts a little softer for a smooth, professional sound.
You don't need an expensive microphone. Get that professional studio sound. You just need to know the right way to process your audio. I'm going to show you that professional workflow right now.
And that's it. Just 3 steps: noise reduction, EQ, and compression can take your audio from amateur to pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more audio tips.